Welcome to the Handwriting OT. Why do I recommend Handwriting Without Tears? I'm a pediatric occupational therapist who has practiced for 20 years. I completed my doctorate and focused on handwriting in kindergarten using the Handwriting Without Tears program. I saw excellent results, and I want to share the benefits of handwriting without tears with you. Handwriting is a difficult skill, but becomes easier when it becomes a habit. And how do we form habits? Repetition, of course. Students need to be able to write without having to think about how they make their letters. When they can do this, it gives them the cognitive freedom to think more about what they want to write instead of how to write. Now, why handwriting without tears? Handwriting without tears was created with kids in mind and teaches letter formation in a developmental order that focuses on similar motor patterns and building good habits. Handwriting without tears starts with uppercase letters because they are easier to learn. They are all the same size and fill the same space. The letters are taught in groups that have similar motor patterns. The order of letters is created on purpose and should be taught in the order presented to form good habits. As you progress through the program, you will notice that all of the jump frog letters start in the starting corner and then jump back up to the top starting corner to continue the next part of the letter. This reinforces that correct letter formation. After all capital letters are taught, then come the lowercase letters. These are also grouped and taught in a specific order to maximize correct habits and motor patterns. Handwriting Without Tears has fabulous products that are available on their website, www.learningwithouttears.com. These products include workbooks, the chalkboard, wooden pieces for making capital letters, and several other options that kids really enjoy. Make sure to check out their products on their website. As kids learn letters correctly and are able to write them in short words, they are then on their way to being able to express themselves through writing. Don't forget to subscribe to the Handwriting OT to learn more about handwriting without tears, as well as tips and tricks for your students.